Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how the Discord webhook log system works inside AuthVaultix. Using this feature, you can receive real-time login and activity logs directly inside your Discord server. First, go to your dashboard, then open your application settings and scroll to the overview section. Here you will find the Discord webhook URL option. Simply paste your Discord webhook URL here. Below that, you can choose which log fields you want to receive. You can fully customize what information gets sent to Discord. After selecting your fields, click on Save Settings. Now let's test it live. I'll open the example application and log into my account. As soon as the login is successful, AuthVaultix instantly sends the activity log to Discord in real time. You can see all the selected information directly inside the webhook message. This is very useful for monitoring logins, tracking suspicious activity, checking VPN usage, and managing your application more securely. Everything is synced automatically through the AuthVaultix API. Visit authvaultix.com for more information.